Here are the results. I think the inside here looks pretty good. It's all cleaned up, painted. Got a new couch for the astronaut. Fits in there, seems to be pretty good. And sitting on top of his little stand. And the inside the capsule is cleaned up. The little tanks are replaced. Windows glued back in. I got little alignment marks here to show which end goes where. They're just stickers that come right off. The only thing left to do on the capsule is clean up maybe a couple of the nicks around the bottom here. I gotta find some matching paint color. Tried some dark black. You can see that's a little too dark, so I gotta find a better match. Hi, well, this project is pretty much complete. Had to move out here so you could see the whole thing. Here's the base. The adapter fits on there with little pins. The capsule just sits in the adapter section. It's got some alignment pins. Don't break them in the process. I made a little marker here to do that. We'll show off the astronaut and the interior later. Here's the tower and capsule assembly. As you can see, there is an interior. We've shown you that before. Got the antenna compartment, and with any luck, this will go on something like this. There you go. And here's some close-up views. Again, tower and a light switch, and it fits on the antenna compartment, and the astronaut sitting in the capsule. So there you go. There we go. It's not small. It looks like it's a little crooked too, but the tower will come off. I'm not going to take it off because it's a pain, but it's a tall item. Go from bottom to top. It's a little over 3 feet, and I have to figure out what I'm going to do with it. But anyway, there you go. Crash goes the ruler. Hope you enjoyed this restoration of an old 10th scale McDonnell Mercury capsule. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more fun videos from Space in Miniature.